Right, we're gonna do tint here. On this side and front, black on black. We're gonna try to do that, and we're gonna change this all chrome to black later. And rims, if I can get money, it's gonna be black, and brakes caliper is gonna be red. Yeah, we're gonna do it here.
It doesn't come off at all. You just take a small tool and you get up underneath this ridge here and you just pop it a little bit, just very carefully. And then it's got a hook that you pull out. And when you put it back in, you just take that hook and then you just line the pegs up and everything pops right back in place.
I see.
There are 2 screws. They are torque bit T25. There's 1 screw there, one there, and 1 under the handle. I always take this one out first usually.
Just 3?
Just 3.
Wow,
that's all
cool.
it is. 3 screws, and the rest are the little compression pins, the push pins that pop into place. There's a smaller screw right here that stays in. That one
is door handle.
That's part of the handle assembly. You just don't take it out.
All right.
Just the 2 up top. This one and the one that are deeper inside. It's always nice to have a magnetic
grip, right?
This one's a little weak. There it goes. Now, get a tool with a real flat, thin edge and go in this bottom corner here, just behind the trim, and just a little pressure, and you can hear that first clip pop, and then just kind of slide around counterclockwise, and you'll hear the rest of them start popping. And you just put pressure until you feel the next one, and pop them gently. And then when you get to the very top, you just kind of twist it. You have to put a little bit of pressure on it sometimes. You get that last clip out.
Oh yeah.
And then your door handle's off. And then this is the little mechanism that opens and shuts your door here, which we're not going to remove it. And then all of your wiring is in here.
Can I just move this up?
Yep. And then when you put it back on, this guy here has to slip down inside of that.
This hole?
This little tab right here you can barely see.
Oh yeah.
That goes on top of that, or you can push it directly in between there. It's just it just pops into place here. And then this rubber seal, sometimes it's better to use the tool. You can kind of hook underneath it, and it's real flexible rubber.
It's plastic, yeah.
Yep, and it comes right out. And it's good to take that out from time to time to clean it, because you get bugs and ashes and all sorts of debris and stuff when your windows are down.
Yeah.
It's good to clean that from time to time. And that's it.
Yes, it's done. Let's see the differences. It's not looks like too much, but still. And we're gonna do these trims, these wheels, the brakes, all chromes. It's gonna be black out. This is my second car, and this is my home. It's sunny here today. Thank you guys. Peace.